For this presentation, I'll discuss the opportunities that are at the source of the open media application, the network advantages of 4G in regards to the application, but will also present a detailed look at the application from an architectural point of view. The arrival of 4G and converged networks is progressively creating opportunities for added services to be placed on the network. The capabilities of 3G and 4G networks allow considerable improvements in upload and download speeds, making it feasible to have an enjoyable web-based entertainment experience. The open media application is a unique concept that relies on the capabilities of 4G networks to combine free and paid access to media content for users. All users can upload and stream media. Users can also download media via the platform based on a business model that will encompass various pricing models for the content providers and service providers involved. Media provided through the platform is available for streaming, digital rentals, promotional downloads, and paid downloads. 4G presents numerous advantages for this type of platform as it is based on industry standards. In fact, the 4G infrastructure is based on the International Telecommunications Union standard of ITU-IMT 2000 and ITU-IMT-A. The network can be accessed via fixed, personal, hotspot, and cellular devices, allowing for a complete, pervasive, and distributed computing experience. For the open media concept, the transfer capabilities of 4G networks make it trivial to upload and download large multimedia files with expected upload speeds of 50 megabits per second and download speeds of 100 megabits per second. Uploading a music file is done in seconds, while downloading a medium quality 800 megabyte movie would require about a minute. Having a regional, national, and international 4G network is a growing advantage to the platform. It increases the variety of content that can be uploaded by the users. It ensures the availability of the application on demand in more locations and imposes less integration issues on end user networks and devices. Why is this application practical? It can be accessed via any modern type of computing device, from your smartphone to the traditional workstation. The application can adapt of the adequate visual environment to better suit the type of device being used. Now, the modular architectural design of the application offers an added amount of complexity that is, however, scalable and compatible with upcoming web programming trends. Most of the application can be developed via the integration of modular programming from open source, from private label scripts, and from custom programming. Now, the next slide shows an overview of ITU's vision for advanced services for new generation communication networks, where interoperability and access via multiple layers and devices becomes central. Now, returning to our application, here is a more detailed overview of the intended platform. We anticipate that the application would be accessible for entertainment purposes and for commercial purposes, with user types that will include content providers and users. The users can upload their own media files and share it with the public by having their media available for streaming. They can also download new media that has been provided by content providers, copyright owners, content creators, and distributors, whether for limited downloads, that is rentals, or for unlimited downloads. All is done via an interface that allows for user-targeted content to be presented to the users of the open media platform based on personal preferences and navigation habits of the users. The application will offer a social environment where users can share profiles, add friends, have connections, review activities, and more. Via the click and share model, users will be able to upload and stream their content, including, for instance, music, personal videos, music videos, movies, etc. All uploaded media is made available to the general public for entertainment purposes. Any open media visitor can thus search and stream the media catalog through an interface that is designed to provide embedded allocation for targeted content providing. Users can also select and download media, including, for instance, music, music videos, entertainment events, movies. They can select and rent media via the limited download, including, for instance, TV shows, entertainment events, sporting events, movies, and more. Downloadable content is made available on the open media platform according to the content providers involved. Any form of multimedia content can be offered via the platform using various formats and types of media. Music, music videos, live viewing of concerts, entertainment events, sporting events, TV shows, movies, and more can be made available through the platform. The pricing models to content providers will include pay-per-media download, pay-per-media rental, pay for bundled downloads, and prepay for limited number of downloads. Now, the prepay version presented here will allocate for users who desire to buy their media in bulk. The method extends credit purchase on the platform and lets the user use up their credit for any media purchases they desire at preferential pricing. Content providers will have the opportunity to offer media for streaming purposes only, whether for their marketing objectives and or for promotional reasons. Open media is to be built around an open source publicity platform that allows to directly offer an environment for content providers and marketers to publicize their products and services based on the accepted pricing models in vogue that include CPC, CPM, CPA, and tenancy. All content providers will have access to their reports via the platform for a variety of reporting options for the usage of their media through the open media platform. Now here's an architectural overview of the platform. Through a unique user interface environment, users will have access to the social environment and to the file management environment for their uploaded media. Content providers can make any type of media available on the platform for rentals and downloads via their own file management system embedded within the application. The publicity platform allows content providers to create their own publicity campaigns directly through the open media platform. All platforms will interface with an open source publicity platform. As far as the level of development is concerned, the open media application is in the development stages. We are following a modular approach to programming that relies on open source, private label integration of scripts, and custom-made programming. At present, we have identified and tested various scripts for file management and decided on the integration of a fully customizable private label script for the application. Now, depending on the integration issues, we may decide on using other scripts from open source or better suited private label scripts. The script chosen was preferred for the functionality it provided through a simple and customizable user interface. The preliminary software requirement specifications are done, and the confirmation of detailed SRS, software integration, and development plans remains to be done. Overall, the open media application offers a unique environment for entertainment and leisure through 4G networks. It is unlike any other media platform available as it combines free media uploaded and shared by the users and paid content made available by open media partners, content, and service providers. Now, I want to thank you for the attention you've given me through this presentation, and I want to follow up with a demo of the script intended for use as part of the user file management system for the application. Here is a demo of the file management script we are considering to use as part of the application. This is a private label script which can be integrated within the core of the media application for uploading, downloading, and viewing purposes of the different media types available. Now, users will have all privileges to the media that they upload. As you can see from the left hand side, they can create different folders for their media. Here we have pictures, preview videos, general music, hip-hop videos, TV shows, movie previews, for instance. Now, the script comes with basic viewers for images, for videos, for different video types, in fact, and an audio player. Users can view the files, they can upload the files, they can decide to delete the files if that's what they decide to do at any given time. However, all of the uploaded media will be made available to the general membership of the application. In other words, if I'm uploading this video of a restaurant and another user happens to make a search on restaurant videos, this video will come up. They're then able to stream that video directly through the open media application. So all of the videos, all of the content, all of the media uploaded will be made available to the general database, which will be accessible by any of the registered users and any of the generic visitor on the website. Now, of course, we'll have a video and audio player for music files. Here is an example of a music video, for instance, that will be played through the video player. This is one of the latest Eminem and Rihanna video. Basically, the environment here allows the user to freely upload and share their media with friends, connections, and any other person that may be interested in presenting new media, sharing their existing media, or simply entertain themselves.